Here's how to solve this algebra problem. Asterisk find the value of a. Asterisk a plus a equals 39 means 3a equals 39. Therefore, a equals 13. Asterisk find the value of b. Asterisk b plus b, a equals 25. Substitute a equals 13. The puzzle follows this pattern. Asterisk multiply asterisk the two numbers. Asterisk add asterisk the first number to the product. Let's solve for the missing value. 1. Multiply. 5 times 3 equals 15. 2. Add. 15 plus 5 equals 20. Therefore, the value in the question mark is 20. Asterisk. The pattern is decreasing by -2, -3, -4, -5. Following this pattern, the next difference should be -6. 15 minus 6 equals 9. Therefore, the value in the question mark is asterisk 9 asterisk. Here's how to break down the fruit math. Asterisk equation 1. Asterisk apple plus apple equals 30. Since there are 3 identical apples, each apple must equal 10. 30 divided by 3 equals 10. Asterisk equation 2. Here's how to solve the equations. Asterisk a plus b equals 60. Asterisk a, b equals 40. You can solve for a and b using elimination or substitution. Here's the elimination method. 1. Add the two equations together.